everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Partners in Cream update for you. This was created by Stefan DeLynn, I want to say like 3 or 4 years ago, and it is a wonderful project. I jumped on it the first year. I've been doing it every year since, and I love it. It is from January 10th to December 10th. We get a month off, and then it comes back. I'm pretty sure it's going to come back next year, though I don't have verification of that. And it is all about your cream products, gel products, stuff like that. Any basic makeup product that's not powder, because it will go off faster. It originally started as all makeup products, though as the years have progressed, other products have come in, which is kind of cool because, you know, people have things that they need to get used up. I try to keep it just to makeup since that's the way it was originally brought in. And I'm like a traditionalist. I like to keep things the way they're supposed to be. So that is what I'm doing. That is how it started. That is how I will continue it. And I kind of like having a project that's all makeup. So this really works for me. And I will admit that over the years, I have actually found that I like cream products when I didn't used to think that I did. So this project, while I do pan stuff in this project, it has actually made me purchase some more stuff, but that's okay. It's okay. I enjoy it, so it's all good. Anyway, I think it was 3 to 6 products, 4 to 7. I don't remember the exact number that it was supposed to be. I have mine at 6, and I'm doing some to finish. Some have different goals on them. Some things just to hit pan. You know how that goes. I just kind of mix it up and do my own thing. And people are texting me, and my watch is going off. Let me silence that. So let's get into this update. I do actually have a rollout this time. I did hit pan on something. It is the e.l.f. Back to Basics Smudge Pot. It kind of has an awkward pan to it because I went in on a diagonal, because the last time I tried to hit pan on one of these smudge pots, it was very difficult to get a brush in there. I did hit pan on it, but it was so awkward and uncomfortable trying to use it, and then it would glop up on the sides of my brush, and I didn't like that at all. But now I definitely have pan on there. This is one of those products I might put on my plan to pan for next year. I do really like it. I like the color. I love how creamy it still is. I enjoy that product quite a bit. And if I recall, I've had this for a long time, like a serious long time, and it's still good. It's still like super creamy. It works very well. Can't go wrong with it. All right, now I have to go into the products that are continuing on. Some I have not given the love that they deserve. The first one is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. And it's a lot of words for a product that I really haven't been using enough. It has not been getting the love. I have used it a little bit, but that is not going to get to the bottom of the jar if I do not actually use it. I'm working on another lip balm that I'm so close on, and I've been prioritizing that and not this one. And it's sad because this is such an amazing product. So it is going to stay in. I'm going to continue to work on it slowly. I will get there before the finale. The next one is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Pot Rouge in Velvet Plum. You can use it on your lips or on your cheeks. I have only used it on my cheeks. I know it looks like it's a crazy dark color, but it works really well for me, and you can kind of sheer it out, which is nice. And I absolutely love this. But I don't know if you can see, there's like barely a dip in there, and I use this all the time. I'm not using it today. I'm using the other cream blush that is in this project, but I use this so much. But you barely have to touch your brush in there, and you've got enough product. So this one's going to be in it for the long haul because, yeah, it is not going to be easy to hit pan on. I mean, I suppose if I used it on my lips, I could probably hit that pan faster, but I really like it as a blush, so I'm just going to continue to use it that way. Now on to the blush that I'm actually wearing today. This is from ColourPop. This is a Super Shock blush in Virtual Reality. That is what I am wearing. You can actually see the dip in it, which is weird because I use this less than I use the Bobbi Brown one, and I definitely have a dip in this one. So I'm not sure why that is. Maybe it's just that this is a different formula, and I don't know. It is lighter, so it is a little bit more buildable, but I don't know. It's weird that This one has a dip and the other one doesn't. I love them both. I really do. And I'm very happy to be working on a cool toned and a warm toned blush because then it goes with everything. Another one that I brought in last update. This is also from ColourPop. It is a Jelly Mutt shadow. I guess this was the Disney Villains collection. And this is in the shade Spindle. I want to use this 10 times. I have used it twice so far. And I love it. I wasn't sure if this was going to be too dark because I love my Jelly Mutt. I absolutely love them, but I don't like them if they're too dark. I definitely gravitate towards the lighter colors because I like my shimmers like in the inner half of my eye, and I wasn't sure. I thought it was going to be too dark. It is absolutely stunning. Absolutely love this, and yeah, I can't wait to use it 8 more times. Probably not going to be done by the next update, but it's not going to be more than like 2 updates. And the last thing I brought in last update is a mascara because I didn't have anything else to bring in that wasn't going to be a super big conflict, and I really needed to bring a mascara in, at least a black one. So this is the Benefit Fan Fest mascara. It's going to be in here. I'm just going to say, yep, it's still going strong every update, but man, is this a nice mascara. It is not what I have on my eyelashes today, but this is so nice. So I'm just going to push that off to the side. It is not exciting, so we're just not going to talk about it a whole lot. All right, so because the smudge pot is rolling out, I needed to roll something in. So I'm going to go with the Revolution. This is the Ultra Cream Bronzer in the shade Medium. I don't know what universe this is a medium. That thing is dark. That is super dark. I don't have like my full summer color anymore, but I'm still like dark for me. She dark. I almost feel like I might have to use this as a contour or something. I don't know that I can use it as a bronzer, but I'm going to give it a whirl. Misty sent it to me because it was way too dark for her, and I know it must have been extremely dark for her because she is lighter complected than I am, and it is almost too dark for me. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what universe this is medium, but I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to attempt to hit pan on it. I have no concept of how deep these pans are. It could be in until December for all I know. That is my update. Not super exciting, but at least I have a rollout and a roll in, so I'm very happy for that. Definitely go check out Steph and Delynn. They're going to be listed down below. If there's a playlist, it's going to be down there as well. And if you want to join in, it's not too late. You can just pick your cream products, your non-powder products, and just have at it and have some fun. Set some mini goals or something until December 10th. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.